We're trying to get back on track with homeschooling. Today we're gonna do what we didn't get to do yesterday. My husband and my son have haircuts. We have, my god kids are coming down. They are 19 and 12. My godson's driving both of them down today to stay with us from Georgia all the way till Sunday. So we have a nice time with them. So I have to make some plans of what we're gonna do this week with them to make sure that they have a nice time. And so I'm probably gonna sit at the computer right now, get that planned while the kids are doing school. My daughter's doing language arts. She uses the Good and the Beautiful level 3, and my son is doing science. He does Apology of Science, the 7th grade level, which is general science, and he does the self-paced online courses for that. So if you want to see what they do for their whole day, like all the curriculum that they use, check out the videos in the description below. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Morning.
Good morning.
What are you making? Did you make any?
You can have some.
I'm just kidding.
I made 3 eggs, so.
It's okay, I'm just kidding. I'm not really that hungry yet. It smells good though.
I thought you ate it already.
No, I didn't. I forgot. Aaron, you excited for your haircut?
No.
You know we're finishing school when you get back, right?
What?
Yes.
That's not fair.
Why is it not fair? It's totally fair. No. You have off tomorrow and you have off Friday. Right? And we're gonna have a fun Thanksgiving
And Saturday and Sunday.
weekend. Yeah. He's representing. Philly is where I am from. So I also have to plan our advent calendar for December. Her birthday's coming up. That's pretty much all planned. Also have to plan my Christmas Eve party. So there's a lot of little things that I can do right now while they're working and they don't need me. Today's schedule's gonna be off because we woke up late. It's also, we have the holiday feel and my son's gonna go get a haircut anyway. So yeah, it's not gonna be like a full homeschool day. It's okay. Aaron's gonna take a break and she's making a get well card for her grandmother because she's in the hospital. So all prayers would be appreciated, guys. And then I have our Thursday set up and our Friday, and now I'm working on Saturday, and then I'll work on Sunday. So I have this little planner here that has it's for my holiday planning. It says homeschool planning, but it's homeschooling holiday planning. And I sometimes lose it, but I like to write everything in here. So we have a couple things planned out. Try to stick with it though. So go ahead and make your card. And then you can read, she's reading Charlotte's Web. Yeah, we're just gonna continue. We're just gonna keep pressing forward. Aaron decided to use blue paper because that's her grandmother's favorite color, right? So as I'm sending my husband the shopping list, and he said, just send me things that you need for tomorrow. And I've sent this huge list. He's like, are we bringing all that to Thanksgiving? And I said, no, it's just for the weekend. And it dawned on me that we're gonna have 6 kids here this weekend. So I have 3, and my daughter's best friend's been staying over, and then I have my 2 god kids coming. So we're gonna have 4 teenagers, 2 preteens, and then my 7, almost 8-year-old. Alan, you're almost 8. Oh my gosh, my baby's almost 8. So yeah, I've been planning the dinner menu, the lunch menu, and along with the activities and all of that. So wish me luck this weekend, guys. So you want to take a break and make slime?
Yes.
Okay. So we don't have slime activator, which is what we use is liquid starch. So we're gonna do the contact solution baking soda one, and then she's gonna do the glow in the dark. And this is how we read in homeschool. You could have all the blood rush through your head. We are a bit distracted today because I got into Christmas stuff, and then since Aaron's not here focusing on school, Evelyn's running around with the dogs. So I need to get her back on task. I'm looking for her math so we can get started with math while I'm making myself something to eat. I never ate this morning. I never ate breakfast. I never ate lunch, and it's already afternoon. So I just let the dogs out. It's early afternoon before it starts pouring down because it started to rain. So I'm gonna have her set up in the kitchen and do math while I cook myself something to eat. After she does her math, we have to work through her American Heritage Girl book. And we are working on her flag, our flag badge. So she has learned these 3 things. She's gonna learn how to properly carry the flag in a parade by itself and with other flags, how to properly fold the American flag, and what you should not do with the American flag. So we're gonna watch a couple of videos, and then she already did this, learn the flag ceremony and properly present and retire the colors at one of the troop meetings, and she did that. She's gonna do it again soon. Oh, you gotta do all of these. Learn about the history of the American flag and how its appearance has changed over time. She'll have to draw and color or paint a picture of 2 versions of the American flag and pick one that has been used in the past and our current American flag. In what time periods were they flown, and then the parts of the flag, what they mean, and then recite the Pledge of Allegiance, which she knows, and then we already watched a video on what it means phrase by phrase. Our day. I'm in my pajamas. It's raining outside. It's like a cozy, chilly, rainy day. I'm about to open up these patio doors and let the cool air come in. Arlen did a great day at school. My son just got home, so I'm just gonna let him take his shower and relax. It's already 3 o'clock. We just finished our paleontology science unit. We're so far behind in everything. Like, we're supposed to be through 3 units already of science, and like, we're just really behind this year. But for her American Heritage Girl, we're going camping in the Kennedy Space Center, and so at that time we're going to be doing space science. So I need to check the calendar and plan out how many days, like when we need to start and finish this, and then see if we have time to do one in between in December. If not, I might replace science with the Christmas unit. I'm not sure yet, but I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.